In this video today, we're going to show you how we can automate a typical SecOps operation using PPA. What we're going to do is add a new host into our DMZ network and apply that firewall rule base to our checkpoint firewall. So here on my screen, I've got a PAM SSO connection in the top window to my checkpoint firewall smart console. In the bottom window, I've got my PPA automation gallery. So now within the PPA automation gallery, I want to run my task to add a new DMZ host into my firewall policy. So PPA establishes a connection into the checkpoint, and I enter details here of the host name of the device I want to add, which is my Web Apps E server. Then I enter the IP address for the new device object we want to create. Verify the details. And now PPA securely connects over the API into the checkpoint firewall to make those changes. Now we can see within the Smart Console, the real-time activity monitor is showing that that policy is being verified and ready to be installed. Now it's going through the process of installing it, so our changes will become live on our firewall modules. That's gone in and been verified by the Smart Console, and the policy is now installed. PPA is just retrieving the details of what it's done and just confirming them back, and there's the information about the new hosts that we've added to our DMZ group. Now we'll just manually jump back into the Smart Console, have a look at the device, and see the new host that we created. And that policy is now installed and applied to the firewall modules. Job done, tick. And there we have it, a quick example of a common SecOps task being performed by PPA against a checkpoint firewall. Now PPA can automate SecOps tasks against a variety of different security infrastructure and different firewalls. Many other tasks are also available. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch.